In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize labels and tags on monday.com. First, go ahead and log into your monday.com account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand panel. This is where all of your boards are listed. Choose the board where you want to start using labels and tags. It could be a project board, a sales pipeline, a content calendar, or anything else you're managing. Click on that board to open it so you can see all of your items and columns. Next, we're going to work with the status column because that's where labels live. Look across the top of your board for a column called status. If you already have one, you're ready to go. If you don't see a status column yet, move to the far right of your columns and click the plus icon to add a new column. In the column options, either search for or select status. This will add a status column to your board. Now, click on any cell within the status column for one of your items. You'll see a list of existing status labels you can choose from, such as working on it or done, depending on your board's setup. If these options work for you, simply select the most appropriate label for that item. If you want to customize the labels, click on Edit Labels. This opens a panel where you can change the text and the color for each label. For example, you might rename a label to High Priority and assign it a bright red color so it stands out. You can also click on New Label to create additional labels that are specific to your workflow. Once you're happy with the names and colors, click Apply to save your changes and start using those labels across your items. Now let's add a lagged column. Once again, go to the far right of your board and click the plus icon to add a new column. This time, search for or select tags. A tags column will appear on your board. To use tags, click inside any cell in the tags column. Start typing the tag you want to assign, such as a client name, a campaign, a feature area, or any keyword that connects related tasks. If the tag already exists, you can select it from the suggestions. If it doesn't, simply type the full tag name and press Enter on your keyboard to create and assign it. Tags are especially useful for filtering, reporting, and grouping related tasks across different groups or even multiple boards. By thoughtfully setting up your labels and tags, you'll make your monday.com workspace much clearer, more organized, and more productive.